In this video, I'm going to create connections for our register new account page. And first of all, I will need to create a Swift file because we do have user interface, but we do not have a Swift file which we need to associate with this register new account page. So I will open up my left side panel, and here I'll create a new file. I'll go File, New, File, and that's going to be Kakao Touch class. Click on Next, and I will call it Register User View Controller, and that's going to be subclass of UI View Controller language Swift. Next, create. Okay, we have a Swift file, and I will copy the name of this Swift file, and I will go back to my main storyboard, and let me hide the left side panel. I don't need it anymore. I'll select the Register View Controller. I'll select the Register New Account user interface on my storyboard, and then I'll open up the right side panel here, and I'll switch to Identity Inspector panel. And here for the custom class, I will paste the name of the new Swift file I have just created. And I'll do the same for the storyboard ID, Identity Storyboard ID. We will need that storyboard ID when we're going to instantiate this view controller from the main storyboard. Okay, so now I should be able to open this register new account page with the Register User View Controller in Assistant Editor. So I'll hide the right side panel, and I'll click on these two circles, Assistant Editor, and here we go. We have Register User View Controller, and I'll scroll a little bit here to make my Register New Account page visible. Okay, and now we're going to create the outlets. So I can either do it from here by clicking on the text field and then holding Control button, clicking and dragging to my Swift file and dropping it here. So that's going to be a connection outlet for first name text field. First name text field. The name can be any other name. It just makes sense for me to create first name text field, and I'll click on Connect. And now we are going to create one for the last name. Control, drag and drop. Last name, text field, connect. And I'll do it for all other fields. That's going to be email, address, text field, password, text field, and repeat password text field. Okay, so we're done with the text fields, and now we need two actions for the buttons. One for cancel, another is for sign up. So I'll click on cancel button to make it selected. Drag and drop it below. I'll make it at the bottom here, and I will change connection. That's going to be action connection, and I'll give it a name, cancel button tapped. Connect, and I'll type something inside of it to make it print. Print something like cancel button tapped to make sure it works. Okay, and now I'm going to create last connection for the sign up button. So that's going to be connection action sign up button tapped. Okay, and I will click on connect, and I'll add a line of code here to print something out to let me know that the sign up button is working. Sign up button tapped. Okay, and now when we are ready with the Register New Account page, I will go and create connections for the protected page.